Alright, so what we have here is two microwave oven, and the problem with this two microwave oven, the door's not closing, right? As you can see, they're not locking. Right, this one same thing, they're not locking, right? So the problem with this now is on the door there's a hook, the latch, right? So the latch in the door is have a string that hold the latch to hold the tension, and it break out, right? So that is why it's not holding the tension, it's not locking, because it break out, right? So this is the latch for the door, right? And if you watch, you can see the spring, right? This spring here does hold the tension to close the door. And if you watch the bottom part here, you can see this. You can see this piece here. Now this piece here does break out. So whenever this break out, there is no tension. When it break out, the spring will drop, it will come off, and there's no tension to close the door. Alright, so to open this part, right, to get this part out, you have to take a flathead screwdriver, right, and put it around and prise it out. Alright, so remove any seal from the door. Now you gotta be careful you don't damage it. So there's some clips that hold it. You gotta be careful you don't break out the clips that hold it. Right, so you move the seal. Now you get it out. Alright, so the spring come out. Right, now we have to take out this part. Alright, so this is it, and as you can see, right, the piece of plastic, it break out. Right, there's a piece of plastic that's hold the spring, right here. If you watch carefully, you can see it'll be right there. Right, so the spring that's hooked on right here to hold the tension. Right, so this is replaced. Alright, so this is the old one, and this is the replacement. Right, so as you can see, there's a place to put on the spring on. Right, and the old one don't have it. The old one will break out right here. Right, so all you have to do is just install back this, and put on back the spring. Right, so it'll be kind of difficult sometimes to sometimes when you get in trouble to install it or to remove it, the best thing is to take out the door, right? But the door, even the door would be difficult to come out sometimes because there's a hook here. And there's a hook around. So here what I will pause the video, install it and get back to you, right? Alright, so I installed the hook, right? It was a little difficulty to do it because it was really hard to install it. So I ended up opening the back cover, the outside cover. Right, I opened the outside cover and pull it out, and I was able to hook up the hook, right, the door latch. And now it's working, right? So you test it out and you will see right, so you can see it working. Now we need to put back this in place. And there you have it, good as new. So now you know how to install, how to remove a door latch that damage, and how to install it and save some money. Okay, so thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.